Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have a key fob. This is actually to a Subaru Outback, and it's been having a little trouble. I think I need to replace the battery, so we are going to replace the battery today. So as I said, this particular fob is from an Outback, but you could also commonly find these for Legacies and Outbacks from 2009 to 2015, but also Imprezas, Crosstreks, and Foresters use this particular fob. Okay, so this particular fob uses a button or a coin type battery, as you see here. This particular one uses a CR1620 coin battery, and you can see I purchased this on Amazon online, Amazon Basics. I like using these Amazon Basics because Amazon sells a ton of batteries, and so I just sort of assume that these are probably relatively fresh batteries. If you buy batteries online, you never know. They could be sitting on shelves for years, and really when you get them, the charge is pretty much gone or the batteries are degraded. That's why I like the Amazon. Okay, so to replace the battery in these fobs, you will need a screwdriver. Now, you don't want one too big or too small, because if you look on the side of this fob, you will see there's like a little notch right here. And you want this screwdriver to fit kind of perfectly in the notch. If it's too small, it could cause some damage. It's a smaller one. And you're going to kind of be rotating to pop open this fob. Now I do have a key ring. I'm going to remove that first to get that out of the way. Okay, so the key ring's off. We're going to just put this screwdriver in this little notch and just kind of rotate it. And as you rotate it, you can see it's being popped open. And you might have to readjust it a little bit to pop it all the way open, and then this will essentially pop out an inner part like this. And you can see it's a little dusty. I think I'll clean that out, but it's a certain shape, as you can see, so when you're replacing it, it only goes back in a certain way. So with this inner part removed, now the coin battery is inside here, so you're going to have to open this up, and you'll see 4 little tabs. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there, and they're kind of little clip tabs. So you want to take your little screwdriver here, kind of put it underneath the tab, and kind of just work it up a little bit, and then you're going to rotate it, trying to hopefully keep this one up. Stick your battery underneath there, and you can see as you release each one of these tabs, this little cover will lift up. Just be careful. Get this underneath. Like that. And then the last one should be pretty easy, hopefully. And there you go. And then you can see the battery right there. And that's the end that the battery's in contact with right there. Now you want to note which way this is oriented. So you can kind of see it's oriented like that. This is the new one. The plus side is, for this one, is on top. So you're basically seeing the negative side there. So for the new one, we're going to turn this around and replace it downward. And so we just take our little screwdriver and see if we can pop this out real carefully. And there it goes. It just pops out. And then we remove it, and so that's the old battery. Come back with the new battery. Again, we want it to be the positive face down, and then we just kind of stick this in and press it in, and there you go. And then you just want to reverse the process. So again, this bottom piece here is generally the same shape. You can kind of see it like that, and it only will close in one direction. So you want to push it in, make sure all these buttons are working like that. And then again, the fob case itself, it can only go in one direction, this way, and the buttons can only pop in one direction, so you want to make sure it's oriented correctly. So we orient that correctly, all the buttons are out like that, and then all you have to do is essentially just pop it shut like that. And there you go. It's all done, and you should have a fresh battery in, hopefully, your working fob. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and maybe even consider subscribing to my channel. I will have many videos to come. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.